Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1, Episode 28. And today I'm gonna watch... No, this morning I watched already the episode 27. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. And today I'm gonna watch also 2 more episodes after this one. So 4 episodes. Listen, during the episode 27, I was still saying that no, Earl is not dead, he can't be dead, that's not possible. During the intro of the last episode, I was saying that the guy, the blonde guy, it was him in fact, and that Earl couldn't be dead, even if we saw him body cold, eyes closed, which is my rule, you know, to determine when persons are really dead. I was like, no, he's not dead, he can't be dead. That blonde guy, it was Earl. It's not possible, he faked it. How can he be dead and they don't know his name still now? Even if they have the Death Note, no, it's not possible, no, it's not possible. I said all of that, and in fact the blonde guy, it was Neil, and you know all of that story with Neil and Melo, the fact that they are supposed to be the successors of Earl, and they were training, fighting to be his true successor, but Earl didn't choose, so Melo said, okay, I'm gonna go because I'm too emotional, I'm not the one good to be Earl, so really Neil took that place, he founded that group with some US agents, you know, to determine who is Kira. During all of these years, they worked together. Right there, they are in Japan, and they wanted to have access to the Death Note, but the Death Note is already an issue because kidnappers, led by Melo, they want the Death Note, at first in exchange of a police guy, and now in exchange of Yagami's daughter or sister, whether you are talking about the dad or Light. Melo is more like Light. If you think about it, he wants to prove that he's the best, you know, that he's the most clever into the place. He wants the Death Note for himself, to do stuff with it, when Neil is maybe more like Earl. He wants to know his Kira, he wants to stop all of these killings. To have these two that's bringing so much confusion, you know, and it's almost like the writers telling me that I have to stop to have hope for Earl to be alive. I decided, between the last episode and this one, that I would continue to have hope for these 3 episodes that I'm gonna watch today. But if at the end of the episode 29, 30, if at the end of the episode 30 I had no proof, nothing to tell me that Earl is alive, I would be forced to consider that Earl is dead. Like right there, right now, I have 0.0009% of me who still thinks that he is alive, and at the end of the day, at the end of the episode 30, if I had no proof that he is alive, I would be at 100% sure that he's dead. Yes, I'm talking in percentages like Earl. So yes, I'm waiting for these 3 episodes really to show me a proof that Earl is alive. But for now, we have these 2 successors for Earl. None of them is convincing me. Of course, Melo, because he's on the wrong side of the force. He's really like Light for that. And you know, Neil, he seems fine, you know, clever. He has so many things, you know, which are like Earl, you know, this habit, the weird things that he's doing. But for now, he's only following the action. He's not anticipating stuff. We didn't see him really thinking about stuff, making theories and all. For now, he's just following Earl's steps, Earl's orders almost. I want to see more about him really finding stuff, you know. to believe that maybe he can catch Kira. And during all of this time, Light, he killed people. That's awful. If you think about it, during all of these years, what he did, killing all of these people. And he's so confident on himself and on his plan because no one is really against him, no one can accuse him anymore. And he's into the police, he has an apartment, he has a girlfriend. You're winning for now, Light. But you're gonna have to make a decision, you're gonna have to make big decisions right there during the next episodes. They have your sister. I was always afraid for Mr. Yagami, for at some point, the fact that maybe his son would be forced to kill him. But now I'm thinking about his sister, like Light. Are you gonna sacrifice your sister? Because during the last episode, Light, he didn't hesitate at all to sacrifice that police guy who didn't do nothing wrong, nothing bad. If you're following your thoughts, your principles, Light, about killing only the bad persons, it's a little hypocrite that you killed yourself, that guy, to hide your secret. So you should do the same for your sister. In fact, if you are following that thing, killing the bad guys and killing the ones who can make that people are gonna discover who you are. You're gonna kill your sister? You're that bad, Light? I really hope that you're not. I'm not sure that she's in LA. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro. Like usually, if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier. We have one episode of Advance on Patreon and with an extended or a full reaction part. To know that, check the description to know what I put on my Patreon. Check also the schedules that I post each Monday on Patreon, YouTube and Twitter. I'm doing my job, do yours. It's the best way to support me, Patreon. If you can't join me on Patreon, you can support me right now on YouTube by subscribing, liking, commenting. It always helps. At least little by little, it's gonna help, I'm a little reactor, but little by little, it's gonna do it. Let's go for this episode 28. Only 10 episodes left. 10 episodes left and we're gonna end this note. It's insane. Let's go.
You can address me as
N and M are fighting to be L. As Red.
Why do I feel like I'm talking to L?
I told you that we would.
His little brother, something like that.
There's a possibility that solving this case could lead to the arrest of Kira. As such, I'm willing to lend you my full support.
Ah.
Deputy Director Yagami's daughter was kidnapped, and we believe the same person.
You're telling him?
He's arranged for a trade in Los
The
Angeles.
kidnappers, they said, don't tell the police.
I'll have a team on standby in LA, but for now they'll be working on a need-to-know basis.
Second thought, I'll let you have full authority on this cell.
Yeah. How can you
I don't like the sound.
believe so?
Dear, is it really safe to leave this case in the hands of a fake L?
I'm aware of that. That's why it's a good idea. It means there'll be an opportunity to take advantage of them. His life is important, but as the SPK, our primary goal is very clear. We'll work together
Kira?
on the book and capture Kira.
You're really like L was at the end of his investigation.
Please,
It's not
just
dead.
say
Oh.
You might have made your peace with the idea of dying, but have you ever thought about how painful it would be for everyone else you leave behind? Then I want you to do whatever's necessary to make sure both you and Simon get out of this alive.
All right.
I think that you're sincere, like right there. I love the idea.
There's a chance I might need to use your eyes this time.
Uh-huh.
So I want to have you close by.
That's why. You're coming with us? Yaka? Of course you are.
If things go badly,
Mm.
they have to kill Sayu.
No! I was like that because I thought that it was interesting that in the mirror it looked like you're not gonna kill your sister. Light, you're not that bad. I'm not prepared for that. I would be so sorry if Light is doing that for her, but also for Mr. Yagami. Hey! Look great.
Keep your distance and don't lose sight of them.
Someone's going to LA too.
Could they have somehow arranged for another plane? Oh, this is bad.
But not at the same hour? For what difference? Ah, you're gonna...
I'm sure you everything's okay. This is a detour.
Oh,
You need to tell me what's going on up there.
This is not a hijacking.
it is!
Do not hesitate to crash the plane and take all the passengers with me.
Light, you didn't know, but is it the kidnappers or Neil?
Looks like I have no choice.
Maybe it's more Neil. You have something, you know, with building.
Locate the landing site and keep surveillance over the area using our satellite video feed.
M or N?
Yakimi, right now you're the only one who can hear my voice.
Okay, M.
Listen, there's only one thing I want, and you know what that is.
So there's not.
The notebook. I'm going to give the notebook to some criminal in exchange for my daughter's life.
You're really like Light, you know, you want to prove that you're the best, you want the Death Note for yourself. But, you know, Mr. Yagami giving you the notebook, are you gonna be able to use it? I'm not even sure. And Rem, she disappeared, no matter what. In the middle of nowhere. What? Secret basement to the desert, a bunker?
Well, isn't that interesting?
It's interesting because of the fact that they are closed, you know, they are blocked into it. Go, and you're gonna catch them. They can't escape. Oh, Sayu! What? What?
The glass is bulletproof. Understand? Slide the notebook through here. Once that's
I'm sorry,
we will step back.
I thought that it was the end of Mr. Yagami. Oh, they've got me.
In this trade, I'll shoot your daughter through this opening. Open the notebook and insert it halfway into the slot in the glass door on your left.
Damn it, it's setback after setback, and I've only just arrived in the U.S., so I'm not in any position to start giving orders to
You need N for that.
Is something wrong? You look kind of
Listen,
busy.
just shut up and do what I told you, alright?
You're accepting that, Misa?
But who is this guy?
Just get on with it, alright? Taking out your anger on her, huh?
Yes.
I can still make it. Kill Sayu.
Now then, I'll test the notebook.
You still have that. I think that it's gonna be important for the future. They're gonna surprise us by him killing someone just like that without the viewers knowing. But you're not gonna kill your sister, Light. Light.
I can't do it. No one but the police knows about
I'm not on your side, but I like your character and I don't think that you can do that.
You okay, Miller? Look, that's what you get when you steal from me.
So it worked.
So this means we can be absolutely certain that the notebook has been exchanged.
I need you to maintain surveillance of that helicopter until it lands.
Don't lose sight of it, no matter what.
I'm sorry, I'm afraid we've been tricked.
Missile. Whoa.
We won't be able to track that with radar.
Is the notebook on that thing?
No. For what reason you would... No.
The missile or the helicopter? Which one?
The helicopter.
This is gonna wipe out all those past screws of mine, right?
Oh, yeah. Wiped out for sure.
I thought so.
Oh,
In that
it
case,
did?
it means the notebook is definitely on the missile.
Neither. Melo, he wants the notebook for himself. He doesn't care about having him on a missile somewhere. You did good. Chief, you did good. I'm proud of you. You're alive. Misa, she's afraid like, can I do something for you? You're rejecting her. Hey, careful, Light, with Misa. At some point, she's gonna stop.
He should be getting his hands on the notebook any moment now. And when he does, I have a good idea of what he'll do next.
But you know the fact that he felt so much Light right now, it's gonna make him think that he was wrong about letting his sister alive. Oh, the symbolic of that. It's your agent's daddy. Not because of Melo. He doesn't know their names.
The majority of the SPK's members have just been killed by the Notebook.
It's not you, right?
I propose we work together and share the information we know so far. I should admit that I have a very good idea of who the culprit behind this might be. Someone who goes by the name Mello. I don't have his photograph and I don't know his real name.
You have his photograph?
I believe Mello is playing a game with me. He wants to see which of us will be the first to take down Kid.
The wrong.
Justin, I went to the team to report that I lost my notebook. The man said that Ryuk said it was his and that he had dropped it and took it.
What?
So I guess I have to go to the human world.
Fun.
Well, that sucks.
It's not Ryuko's notebook? These FBI agents, you didn't kill them. But it has to be someone who knows their names and who has a death note. I thought that it was late, because of that moment during the last episode with Mr. Yagami discovering the real identity of John McEnroe. I was like, that's it, that's gonna be important for the future, and during that moment I was like, that's it, it's the proof that it's Light who killed this agent. It's not you, it would be Melo. For what reason Melo would do that? Okay, for N to have less agents working for you, to make him weak, but how could he know the names of these agents? Okay, he's surrounded by a lot of powerful guys. All of these mafia guys, they are bad guys, okay, but they seem also to have a lot of power, to have a lot of information. They get information about this place, like they just launched a missile. If it's not the proof of the fact that they can be powerful, so maybe it's that. Melo had this information through these mafia guys. How we talked to Misa. You know that in the beginning, since we met her, I was like, she can be dangerous for you, Light. At first, I thought that she could be dangerous because she has a character, she's really impulsive and she's jealous and she can be dangerous because she's unpredictable. That's what I thought at first. After that, she fell in love with Light so much that she's totally blind with what he's doing and all, and she's following him blindly. She was so loyal to him during all of this time of what she did for him, killing people for him, giving him her death note, giving him a lot of stuff, like being tortured for him. So many stuff, things that she knows, but also things that she doesn't know. At some occasions I was like, how can you still be in love with Light after all of what he's doing to you? Like, he's not really considering you, respecting you. Even if during some moments it felt like he had feelings for her because he was genuinely taking care of her, be afraid for her safety. So I really thought that maybe, yes, they can be a real couple. But right there, how he acted with her, without any respect, talking to her like that, and how she responded to his actions, okay, she was still there for him, she didn't respond and all, but her face, her look, she was afraid of him, I'm not sure, of losing him maybe more. She's afraid that he's not gonna love her anymore, and maybe it was more that. I would love for Misa at some point to understand that Light is like that and is not a good person at all. I'm not sure that it's gonna happen. He wants her to come because of the eyes, not something else. He's not really talking to her. When he's talking to her, it's to give her orders. Right there he was mad, so he put all of his anger on her, verbally, physically also, with this thing with the drink. be careful, Light. You don't want to lose an ally like Misa right now. Because of the fact that she has the eyes and she knows all of your secrets. Yes, it can be bad for you. But Misa, she's so sincere, she's so impulsive, that if really she's going to that point, you know, into that direction of switching, she's gonna say it to Light, you know, she's gonna tell to Light, I don't want to be with you anymore, like you disappointed me so much and all. And it's gonna be bad because Light is gonna have the opportunity to kill her. I mean, that thing that he has on his watch still now, I think that they showed us that, the writers, for the future, you know, it's gonna be important in the future. Maybe he's gonna kill someone and the viewers are not gonna know it and are gonna discover it after, you know, by seeing the fact that Light did it with that thing on his watch. Do you understand what I mean? Like, maybe the writers are gonna surprise us with that, like during entire episodes we're not gonna talk about that piece of paper anymore, and suddenly someone is gonna die and we're gonna be like, who did it? How can it be possible? And in fact it was Light because of that. Like, it can be the case for Misa, you know, to kill her really quickly, or for someone else, for himself at some point. I'm glad that his sister, you know, is still alive. Mr. Yagami did his job, he did it well. Did you see that moment when I thought that they were dead? Like, the writers truly got me with that, because we're so close to the end that I'm really expecting for any of them to die suddenly, quickly. I had the emotions like that, and falling down just after that, like in 1 second you played with my emotions. It was too much for me. I had tears in my eyes, like I couldn't control them. You know how much I love Mr. Yagami. He's really my favorite character into this show. Matsuda also, I have an affection for Matsuda. I did. Aizawa, I respect him so much. And of course I love the characters of Air, of Light. But it's different because it's more about respecting them, you know, admiring how clever they are and taking a side. And I said it in the beginning, I'm on Earth's side because I'm against what Light is doing as Kira. I can't be on his side. For Melo and Nier, M and N, I'm sorry to say that I don't support any of them for now. I would want N to find the truth for sure. He's not convincing me yet, you know, of the fact that he can do it. Why I was supporting so much Earl, it was because of the fact that he impressed me a lot of times and I was really cheering for him because of that. But then, Nier, again, you were just following the actions. You let Light do that. I thought that you had something planned, but not at all. What you built right there, it was fun, but come on. And you didn't think about the fact that your agents could be killed? And Melo, he planned that right, all of that, you know. But without the resources of these guys, of these mafia guys, you know, of these bad guys, you couldn't do all of that. It's not like two brothers against each other, because we could be like, they are like brothers, they grew up together into that orphanage, they were trained together to replace Elle, maybe they are close to each other and all. Melo, he made clear during the last episode that they have nothing in common and that they were against each other, they were in competition in fact since the beginning. So I don't consider them as brothers, as best enemies, maybe it's more something like that. Because of that, I'm really like making a parallel between M and Light situation, relationship, and these two, Melo and Nier relationship. A little. About that Shinigami at the end, I don't remember his name. Come on, you know me, it's gonna take me at least 2 episodes to remember his name. But he's gonna come into the real world. That's great, we're gonna have someone new, another Shinigami. But that thing about the fact that Ryuko stole his notebook, which one? Ryuko's notebook, so the one that now the kidnappers have. You're gonna visit Melo? Why not? The king said that to this Shinigami Ryuko. At some point you're gonna be forced to respond to this king, you know, with all of your actions, the fact that you did stuff for Light, that you intervened into some scenes, these fake rules also that you wrote into the notebook. Okay, so I'm gonna watch 2 more episodes. It's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.